Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, our Not So Secret Diary. Today we will be doing unboxing of DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal and also do the preliminary setup. So without much delay, let's get started. This one is the DJI Osmo Mobile combo box. So if you spend 20 bucks extra on top of the regular item, you will get this box. With this box, we will get a detachable tripod and a carrying case. So let's see what is inside this box. DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is the latest gimbal from DJI in this series. Nowadays, the camera inside mobile phones are becoming more sophisticated and gaining popularities for video shooting and vlogging. While shooting a 4K video, instead of spending thousands of dollars in a good camera, people are opting for good gimbal which can give stabilization to mobile camera and the end results are amazing. This is what we have inside the box, the main gimbal and the accessories. Let's first take a look at the gimbal. The carrying case is pretty nice. The material is very good with a proper DJI branding. This will be very handy for traveling. Let's open the box now and take a look inside. And here you go. This is our main gimbal. DJI Osmo 3. This gimbal is relatively smaller in size compared to its previous versions. The foldable design is very sleek and the overall experience is good. We will put the gimbal back in the box now and we'll take a look at the accessories. It has the basic manual of the device and the safety measurement guidelines. If you wish, you can take a closer look afterwards. Now we are putting it aside. Let's see what is inside this box. So first we have one wrist strap. This one we can attach to the gimbal and wear it in our wrist. This will give a protection against any accidental fall. Next we have a mini pouch bag. This is made of cloth, looking nice with DJI logo in it, but the only thing, this is made of cloth, so may not give a protection against rain or water. But anyway, both items are nice to have. Let's move on to the next item. Next we have the tripod. Now this one is a very useful item. It has a regular 1/4 inch threading screw with which we can mount this to the gimbal. The grip is nice and the quality is good and it is looking sturdy. Having a tripod with the gimbal will give you added advantage in case you are planning to shoot some video time lapse. Last item in the box is the charging cable. This is a Type-C regular USB charging cable. You can use with any standard USB charger and plug into the power source for charging. I am pretty sure that you may have already some Type-C USB cables, but having an extra is always nice. We also have some pads. In case your mobile is small, you can use these for better grip. Now we have unpacked all the items inside the box. Let's begin the fun part of setting up the device and using it for the first time. DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is a foldable gimbal. So to use it, we first simply need to unfold it. The whole gimbal unit rotates around a single hinge. After using it, we just need to bring it back to the foldable situation. There is a sticker above with the instruction which you may want to get rid of. Next, we can fix the tripod for the ease of our use. And that's it. We are all set to move to our next step. As the first step of the setup, we need to mount the smartphone into the gimbal. Make sure the DJI logo faces you and the camera of your mobile phone is pointing towards left. Now flip the phone so that the camera is away from you. To remember that, make sure your camera will be on the same direction as the letter D in the DJI logo. In previous versions of gimbal, you had to adjust the length of the arm so that gimbal is balanced. But now there is no end clamp and you just need to shift your phone left and right till the weight is balanced. Make sure your phone is perfectly balanced with your gimbal. This will cause less stress and wear and tear in the gimbal motor. To function DJI Osmo 3 gimbal, you need to install DJI Mimo app in your mobile. This app uses your Bluetooth to connect to the gimbal. Please make sure to turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Then go to either App Store or Google Play Store and search for DJI Mimo app. Finish installing this app in your phone and open it. It will show you the terms and conditions which you need to agree with. After opening, the app will show you various promotional videos and will ask for your permission to access your phone's camera, microphone and album, and you need to grant access. Since we are using the app for the first time, it will guide us with the different options. Choose Osmo Mobile 3 option next. The app will then show you some tutorial videos regarding Osmo 3. These are all very useful videos and you may refer to it. Next, the app will ask you to log in using your credentials. If you are a first time user, then you need to register, otherwise log in with your current credentials. After you successfully log in into the app, it will try searching the nearby Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. Once it finds the device, it will ask you to connect it. You will need to agree with the terms and conditions one more time. Then the device will be activated and all the firmware will be installed in your smartphone. Next, the Osmo Shield page will appear for extended warranty support. Currently, we are skipping it for now. Finally, it will show some beginner's tip and regarding the gimbal, how to operate it. I found these options very useful. Slide couple of times to the left and allow the camera one more time. And now you are all set with the gimbal. Now let's take a look at different buttons and their function. Press and hold the M button to turn on the gimbal. Double tap on the M button to move your phone from vertical to horizontal position and from horizontal to vertical position. 3 times tap on the M button will position your gimbal hand in such a way that you can simply fold it back. You can keep your mobile mounted in it so that every time you don't need to balance it. Press on the record button to start capturing the video. Once done, press again to complete the video recording. Apart from these 2 buttons, there is a joystick which you will use to control the movement of the gimbal while shooting. Move the joystick to right and left, up and down, and accordingly the arm of the gimbal will rotate. I checked whether this joystick is sensible to touch and it seems it is. If you press the joystick gently, you will get a nice cinematic video footage. On the side of the gimbal, you will be able to find one slider. This is used for zoom in and zoom out. Slide the button up to zoom in and press it down to zoom out. On the back side of the gimbal, there is another button. This is called trigger button. Press the trigger button once and hold it so that the gimbal will be in lock position. When active tracking is on, press it once to start and stop the tracking. Press the trigger button twice will bring the gimbal back to center position. Press it thrice to switch between back and front camera. Press it twice and hold it down to activate sport mode. In sport mode, you can capture any fast moving objects. With these cool features, DJI Osmo Mobile 3, you will need not to touch your phone screen while shooting a video. Gesture control and active tracking 3.0 are the two key differentiators in DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. To turn on gesture control, launch your DJI Mimo app in your mobile phone. On the bottom right hand side, you will be able to see one hand symbol. Touch that to open gesture control menu. Turn on the gesture control option. It has two modes, one follow and shoot and the other shoot only. We choose follow and shoot to turn on the active tracking. Either show your palm or the V sign to turn on the gesture control. It will identify your gesture and turn on the recording. Active Tracking 3.0 is an advanced technology. With the help of this, DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal can accurately track the movement and adjust the gimbal arm to keep focus on the object. Once active tracking is on, you will notice a green square box on the screen. Adjust so that you can focus on the specific object of your choice and press the trigger button once to lock the position. Here I have locked it on my face. Now if I make movement, the gimbal will automatically move to track my face's position and always keep focus on me. If I move fast, the gimbal will also starts moving fast. Story mode is another unique feature in DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. Story mode uses preset creative templates to help users create short cinematic sequence with minimal effort. To create a video with story mode, launch your DJI Mimo app and select Story. Then select a template to shoot each clip individually. DJI Mimo app will then automatically place the shots together with creative transitions and music to create a unique video. From here, you can export that video and then post to any other social media. Here, I have selected Inspire template, which allows me to capture 4 cinematic sequences. I shot individual clip with my aquarium. Each shot you can verify, and if you are not satisfied, you can retake. Once all 4 shots are captured, Mimo app will then combine these with the preset and show you the final result. In this case, I was satisfied with the final result, so I decided to export it and then post it on a social media. Story mode is a very helpful and unique mode to capture some short cinematic sequence, which you can use in your main video and put some cinematic effects in it. Follow mode is the most frequently used mode that supports stabilization in 3 directions. The gimbal moves consistently with the handle to ensure stable and smooth footage. In tilt locked mode, only the pan axis moves, supporting the same stabilization effect as follow mode. The pitch will be locked. Even if you sway the gimbal from side to side or up and down, the gimbal camera will face the front direction. This mode is perfect for recording forward and backward motions such as jogging or walking scenarios, ensuring the basic composition stays on the same level. FPV mode offers you an immersive perspective. In FPV mode, the 3 axes are not locked and the gimbal provides more relaxed stabilization. As the gimbal rotates more flexibly in FPV mode, the footage you create will have a higher sense of immediacy. There are several other options and video shooting mode available in the DJI Mimo app, which we will explore in our next video. That's all for today's video. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and leave your valuable feedback in the comment section. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please press the red subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification so that you will receive notifications whenever there is a new video on our channel. You can follow us on various social platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Take care and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.